When the F-22 Raptor first took to the skies, it instantly became a symbol of unmatched American air dominance. But now, after years of service, the Air Force is pulling off a bold move. While most would expect it to be retired or replaced, the F-22 is being radically transformed in ways no one saw coming. This isn't a simple upgrade, it's a rebirth. The most feared fighter jet in the world is about to get a technological facelift that pushes it into a new class entirely. Think advanced stealth coatings, upgraded engines, drone integration, and AI-driven warfare. The goal? To keep the Raptor relevant against next-gen threats and turn it into a lethal bridge towards sixth-generation dominance. So what exactly is happening behind the scenes? And why is the Air Force betting so big on an aircraft that's already 2 decades old? Let's dive deep into the explosive F-22 upgrade that no one expected, but that everyone should be watching. New radar and sensor fusion. One of the biggest leaps in the F-22 upgrade package is the integration of cutting-edge radar and sensor fusion systems. The current ANA-PG-77 radar is already impressive, but it's being replaced, or massively upgraded, with a new active electronically scanned array, AESA radar, which offers greater range, resolution, and resistance to jamming. This radar, paired with multispectral sensor fusion, allows the Raptor to see beyond the horizon and detect stealthy targets that would evade older systems. It integrates inputs from satellite networks, ground radar stations, and airborne early warning systems to build a 360-degree threat picture. Pilots will receive all this data through an upgraded cockpit display system and helmet-mounted cueing, allowing them to track and engage multiple threats in real time. This makes the F-22 more than a fighter. It becomes a flying command and control hub. Stealth reimagined? Ghost Mode 2.0. The Raptor's stealth is one of its most defining features, but time and technology catch up quickly. To ensure it remains undetectable against newer radar systems developed by Russia and China, the Air Force is rolling out an advanced radar absorbent material, RAM coating, known as Ghost Mode 2.0. This new stealth skin uses nanostructured materials and metamaterials that adapt to different radar frequencies. Combined with a new thermal suppression system for the exhaust, it significantly reduces the Raptor's infrared signature, making it nearly invisible to IR-guided weapons and sensors. Additionally, the upgrade includes reshaped air inlets, redesigned seams, and cleaner internal weapons bays to further reduce radar cross-section. It's not just about staying hidden, it's about being untouchable in the world's most dangerous airspaces. Engine enhancements. While the F-22's Pratt & Whitney F119 engines already allow for Supercruise flying at supersonic speeds, without afterburners, the upgraded Raptor will go even further. The Air Force is testing a modified version of the F119 that incorporates features from the Adaptive Engine Transition Program, AETP. These adaptive cycle engines can switch between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modes mid-flight. This means longer range, more loiter time, and greater mission flexibility. Analysts believe the upgraded Raptor will have a 30% improvement in fuel efficiency and a 20% boost in thrust. Improved thrust vectoring is also on the table, potentially enhancing maneuverability even further. Combined with the Raptor's aerodynamics, this could allow it to outperform anything in a dogfight, even 6th-gen competitors. AI and battlefield connectivity. The upgraded F-22 is becoming smarter, much smarter. One of the centerpiece upgrades is a new AI-enabled mission system that can process battlefield data faster than ever before. It can prioritize threats, manage electronic warfare settings, and even suggest strategic moves to the pilot mid-fight. Through cloud-based military data systems, the Raptor will connect with satellites, drones, other aircraft, and ground stations in real time. This combat cloud integration means the F-22 doesn't fly alone. It operates as part of a global sensor web. These changes transform the Raptor from a standalone stealth fighter into a real-time network battlefield brain. In conflicts where milliseconds count, this advantage could be the difference between mission success and failure. Cockpit overhaul, futuristic pilot interface. Out goes the traditional multifunction display. In comes an augmented reality, AR cockpit with a panoramic touchscreen, customizable information layouts, and full helmet-integrated visuals. The pilot's helmet becomes the new cockpit with 360-degree awareness projected directly into their field of vision. The new system supports voice command and gesture recognition, allowing pilots to control targeting, navigation, and communication without ever taking their hands off the stick. This pilot-machine interface reduces cognitive load and increases situational awareness. In high-stress combat, this could mean faster response times and better decision-making under pressure. Weapon suite, upgrade more lethal than ever. Internally, the Raptor will carry upgraded air-to-air missiles like the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, JATM, designed to outrange and outmaneuver Chinese PL-15 missiles. These new weapons will be paired with smart racks that allow the Raptor to choose, aim, and release in record time. The Raptor is also being fitted for long-range precision strike capabilities, including air-to-ground cruise missiles that can penetrate hardened bunkers and radar installations. This expands its role from air superiority to multi-role dominance. Speculative but intriguing reports suggest the Raptor may even be tested with directed energy weapons, lasers for missile defense or electronic disruption. While not confirmed, such upgrades are on the roadmap for the Air Force's future air combat systems. Loyal wingmen join the fight. The upgraded F-22 isn't flying alone anymore. Under the Air Force's Skyborg program, Raptors will gain the ability to control semi-autonomous drones, known as loyal wingmen. These AI-driven drones will provide recon, decoys, and even strike capabilities. The F-22 will act as a command hub, giving the pilots strategic control over multiple drones operating in formation. These drones can be used to penetrate enemy defenses, jam enemy radar, or draw fire away from the main aircraft. This approach mirrors tactics being developed in 6th-generation programs, but the F-22 will get there first. With loyal wingmen by its side, the Raptor becomes an airborne fleet, not just a fighter jet. Survivability upgrades. To survive in future contested environments, the F-22 is getting new defensive systems. These include upgraded radar warning receivers, RWR, electronic countermeasures, and decoys that can spoof advanced missile systems. The Air Force is also testing hard-kill defense options, such as mini interceptors that launch from internal bays to destroy incoming threats. Paired with jamming and stealth, this creates a triple-layered survival network. Finally, structural enhancements are being made to extend airframe life, ensuring the Raptors can continue operating well into the 2040s and possibly beyond. This isn't just about upgrading, it's about evolving. Strategic impact, a bridge to 6th-generation air dominance. While the NGAD, next-generation air dominance, fighter is under development, the F-22's upgrade gives the U.S. a critical edge during the transition phase. It ensures air superiority against rising threats from China and Russia while NGAD is finalized. It also sends a message to allies and adversaries alike. America isn't standing still. The upgraded Raptor gives the Air Force the ability to hold airspace anywhere in the world. Fast, stealthy, lethal, and now smarter than ever. Rather than a legacy platform being phased out, the F-22 is evolving into a hybrid warrior, part 5th-gen fighter, part 6th-gen bridge. This strategy buys time and ensures dominance remains in American hands. Conclusion: the Raptor returns. What many thought was the end of the Raptor story is turning out to be just the next chapter. With billions invested, new technologies integrated, and an entirely reimagined role, the F-22 Raptor is not fading, it's rising. In a world racing toward AI, hypersonics, and unmanned warfare, the Raptor's upgrade proves one thing. America's first 5th-gen fighter still has fight left in it. It's no longer just the jet that defined a generation. It's the jet that's adapting to lead the next. This is more than a retrofit. This is a resurrection, and the sky will never be the same. If you're an aviation fan or a defense tech enthusiast, you'll want to follow this story closely. Like, share, and subscribe for more expert breakdowns on the future of aerial warfare. The Raptor's roar is back, and it's louder than ever.